You. It isn't caviar, but it isn't shit. Come on, will you get on my rug? Now what should I do? Put it back up?